Exposing the secret to a balanced portfolio. It's easier than you think. Rebalancing your mutual fund portfolio ensures your investments stay aligned with your financial goals. Imagine this. Your equity funds grow significantly. Great, right? But now, your portfolio's risk has also increased. To manage this, you might shift some assets to debt funds, reducing risk and maintaining balance. Rebalancing isn't just about moving money around. It's about optimizing your returns while controlling risk. It helps you stay disciplined, avoid emotional decisions, and keep your investment strategy on track. So, how often should you rebalance? Experts suggest at least once a year or whenever your asset allocation strays by more than 5% from your target. Now, here's the kicker. Rebalancing can boost your confidence and bring peace of mind, knowing your portfolio is constantly aligned with your financial goals. Ready for a special surprise worth rupees 21,000? Subscribe to Delta Edge and send a screenshot to WhatsApp number 9113211787 to claim 5 exclusive financial calculators. Perfect for taking your investment game to the next level. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and start rebalancing like a pro today.